Okay, hello. Thanks again for agreeing to participate in the EAS project. EAS, let me remind you, stands for English for Academic Study Telecollaboration, and it's a collaboration project in which the students at the Islamic University of Gaza and the students at the University of Glasgow will be working together on providing some solutions to engineering and technology related problems. So you, the students at the Islamic University of Gaza, you will provide our students at the University of Glasgow with some scenarios, and our students will have to find solutions to those problems. And then you will be asked to provide some feedback. And in order to facilitate that process of giving feedback, we have prepared some input for you, a sequence of activities that will allow you to practice skills in giving constructive feedback, because it's very important that the feedback is constructive and therefore useful and meaningful. So we've got a sequence of activities, as you can see on the screen, okay? And thanks to these activities, we hope that you will have developed a good understanding of what constructive feedback is about. So we will ask you to reflect on your experience. So we will start with something very easy and something more personal. Then we will ask you to brainstorm different ideas and meanings of constructive feedback. And together in groups you will identify key features, key principles of providing constructive feedback to others. Thanks to that, we hope you will have a better understanding of what constructive feedback is and how it differs from feedback which is not so constructive, which is perhaps even destructive. Okay, in order to make sure that that you develop those skills in giving feedback, we will give you some samples of feedback to evaluate, so that you know how constructive feedback differs from less constructive feedback. And at the end, to close the cycle, we will ask you to actually provide constructive feedback on a sample of writing, and you will submit that sample of feedback, and then that is myself and my colleague from the University of Glasgow, we will provide you with feedback on your feedback skills, if that makes sense. Okay, so we will start tomorrow with a brief activity, a very personal activity, and we will ask you to share your experience by submitting to this wall. At the moment it's empty, but I hope it will become full of stories and your experiences of feedback tomorrow. And also tomorrow we will ask you to form groups, because we want you to work in groups of 3. Okay, so you will sign up using this sign up sheet. Okay, and this way you will form groups, and you will be provided with a link to your online space. And in that online space, one by one, we will share the different activities with you. And the whole sequence of activities will be spread over a few days, a week, a little bit more than a week. And as I said, you will be working in groups of 3, and you will be given instructions and reminders via Facebook. And still, if you have any questions or any queries, then please ask questions. It's the first time we've created such a telecollaborative activity, so we are very curious and interested in knowing your feedback. And as a matter of fact, at the end there will be an evaluation form for you to fill in, so that we can improve the task if any changes are needed. Okay, so I'm hoping that you enjoy the task, you find it useful, and I'm looking forward to seeing how you get on with it. Okay, thank you, bye.